GTD. I'm just going to talk about GTD today. So that I would like to share my pre-speech experience, what I'm feeling today. This is my third speech, I think. But today I'm feeling nervousness and a lot more. I don't know because of it's a speech pressure or because of my temperature is high. So today I thought I was in dilemma that I will not give a speech today because of my pressure or not in good mood or something. So anyway, I had just before my speech, I just saw a joke which inspired me, and I'm going to talk about that, and I'll share this joke also. And my conclusion will be on GTD. What is that? After the joke, I'll continue with that. So the joke is, like me, some person was hesitant to complete the task, but he has a positive attitude. The joke is on a cow, a seed, and the coconut tree. There was a boy. Usually we have in our schools. I think in the school days we'll have AC to write in examinations. So the boy had prepared an essay which will come in exams. Usually in exams we'll have essay of cow, some tree, some animals, or some places, or aeroplane. So the boy has prepared possible essays which will come on the examination. So he prepared well on the essay called cow, the cow. He prepared well, went for examination, and he saw, unfortunately, the essay was on the coconut tree. So, sorry, I made a mistake. Actually, he prepared for a tree, coconut tree, and the essay was on cow. Okay, so he started writing. Cow has 4 legs, 2 ears, 2 horns, 1 tail, and because he prepared for the coconut tree, and he couldn't write more than that, just 4 lines, because usually you can see the cow has a few things to write. And he wrote after that. He was a clever boy. He was very much mature to handle the situation, and he follows the rule of GTD. The rule is, I just want to fully disclose that I do that. There's getting things done in whatever situation. So he wrote 4 lines. Then he thought, if I don't write, either I have to just leave the paper without getting marks, or I should fill it with anything. So he connected the story, the cow story, with the coconut tree. He wrote the next line. Usually, sometimes we tie our cows in the coconut tree, and from there he started writing on the coconut tree itself. So anyway, the final conclusion was his prepared speech on coconut tree was continued, and it started with cow speech and completed with coconut tree, and giving a last sentence on the cow. It gave him full marks. It means anyhow you should complete the task, but not like this as we do. So my topic was on GTD, getting things done. Now let me ask one question. How many of us are in a situation where we have a lot of work to do, but we forget? For example, I get 4 mails every day. One is for implementation. Zia, you have to implement this, and that is very urgent. Suddenly, client send a mail that is not working, that issue has to be fixed. And I have started work, which is the first query, and second will come. Similarly, a day we get 3 different queries, and that too very urgent. So finally, you will be confused, and you will do some half partially, and by 6 or 5 you will go home freely. But your task is not done. Either you forget the task, or you come tomorrow and start with other task. You are not completing your task. So you are not following any rules, and finally your output is nothing. So usually people, as we human, we are productive when we have a clean mind, peaceful mind, when we have things in order. So let me tell how to implement GTD, getting things done, we have a simple basic tool for us, like we have an Outlook, where we have an inbox, we get a lot of mails in inbox, and we can organize that. How many of does that, organizing emails? So that this is Arvana mail, this is a product, client's mail, and this has to be done, this has to be rejected, or this has to be just answered. So GTD, getting things done, is a methodology where you can arrange things and put in order. And we have a good, recently I got the introduction with something tool called Jira, which helps me a lot how to organize and continue the work. Like I have done the work, and tomorrow I will come and will start with the in progress work, not the other urgent work, because all are urgent. If you do here and there, you are not completing any work. So getting these things done, this methodology will solve and improve your productivity. So the conclusion was, whatever things you have, we have a lot of examples, a lot of applications where we can complete our task and get things done. Thank you.